Are we live? Are we live? Are we live? Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Let's get back into the business. Buenos días, buenos días, buenos días, banda. All right. First things first, we gotta check if we have news. I don't think we have news, so that shouldn't really matter too much. Okay. I'm checking we have news today. I don't think we do. So I took a trade yesterday, you guys know. I'm kind of a little upset because it was literally like my purpose for the weekend, and I still went opposite against it. But I don't know. I mean, it wasn't a bad trade for sure. I would definitely take it away if those previous weekly lows weren't my main goal for the week. But it is what it is. I think this one should work. I just woke up. Well, not really, but I just got back, so. My bad if I look a little slow. That's just me on the daily, but anyways, guys. Anyways, let's get to it. Let's get straight to the business. Daily. Okay, so two things, guys. Two things that I'm really looking at right now. I mean, this Friday fair doesn't really. I'm not paying attention too much anymore, but. Hi, time for you guys. Like I said, my goal was this objective for the week, the fair value gap on the thingy. I do think we could have a lower retracement. So it's just really gonna come down to what we do during the opening. Whether we're gonna go up and then go after 10 and get like a minor PO3 and just scalp it, or I don't know. I'm just gonna have to look into it right now and see what price is gonna tell me to do. Because if it's telling me something and I'm not listening, then it's gonna be on my fault. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at right now, guys. As you can see, the daily's not really telling me much. We just swept this liquidity, which was the goal. Right now, the only thing that's a little bit bugging about me, like if we close above these levels, then I'm most likely looking for longs, because we're already thinking. We already closed above, so right now we're still kind of bearish in my eyes. We're still closing below weekly open. We're still not really, like, technically we have a 4-hour shift, but I mean, it's not too convincing for me as of yet. I'm just gonna wait and see what you want to do. I prefer to have a higher displacement, so we could start targeting all-time highs again, or something. But aside from that, like, I don't know. I don't really yet have a straight bias. I'm still leaning bearish, if that's, like, to say the least. We still below the opening price. How do you make that into a paragraph? Alright. So yeah, I'm not 100% fully sure yet what we're gonna do. We just swept this out, so I don't know. I am gonna lower my risk today. There's no point. Yeah, it's not. I don't think it's because of the fear from this. You see the weakness? That's crazy. We did just sweep this high, so if we just place lower, I might consider shorts. And look at this, beautiful. I low-key wish 9:30 we rally up one more time and then drop. That would be more significant for me, because we're dropping from point POI level, the daily. And I'm gonna entertain short, but let's just say we have a market structure shift now and yada yada yada. Then I'm probably gonna switch. Well, I don't know. I probably wouldn't even look for long just yet, because I'm not too comfortable right now, like with where we at. But I low-key rather sweep previously high than reverse. That would definitely make me feel confident in my shorts than longing right now, because I don't really have specific POI where I would want to long from. Like I would, but it would have to be like sweeping out minor list thingy, and then after 10:30ish, 11ish, we start reversing. Then maybe, but I would probably just target this again, new week opening, and then just leave it as it is. Oh, yeah. Right now, nothing crazy. Just still choppy. So, what I'm gonna do right now is wait till definitely till 10, and then get a better POI reaction from this and see what he wants to do. Oh. Which one? The third one. The file save as ICT. Yeah, look at this. Again, we did sweep liquidity here, so that could be enough. Yeah, it just doesn't make sense for me right now. What are we looking at? I just realized I think we have a tiny FEG here. Okay. So yeah, I don't know. We might just want. I would rather feel more confident with the previous weekly high and then drop it lower, and then definitely show no resistance to this for random gaps. But we'll see. We didn't take out Aegis. It would be 100% much better if we took this out. That would be more confident. In shorts. I mean, we are going to drop, so that's pretty cool. But hopefully we get another rally up one more time at 9:30 opening, which we're about to get to. Excuse me. Oh my gosh. We'll go to 1 hour, so no point in playing games. Yeah, I really want to take the previously weekly high and then reverse. I probably am gonna look for shorts right now. I'm gonna see if I can get into it. But definitely wait to 10 though. Definitely gonna wait to 10. 9:30. Let me just increase the brightness a little bit. It's a little too dark. And this one, let me decrease it. So again, I mean, technically we did have a change of state right here. Right here. So maybe we could go for these levels, which is London lows again. Damn, bro, I think. Again, this is probably just what I'm waiting for, like, to go for. Yeah, go up higher. Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, that's what I thought. Pussy. Yeah, I kind of low-key want to go high right now. I don't. Oh, dude, come on, don't do this shit. ES, get your ass back up. Now, up there. Yeah, I want to see us go high right now, guys. We're getting SMT. Just a minor SMT. I'll be fine with that too. We did indeed have a 15-minute CISD. gonna have trading view open up here on the right side as well. I'm gonna have it on the 1 hour and then on the 1 hour. We're looking at the where's the oh, we are rejecting the week opening gap. I didn't even realize that shit. Look. I did not realize that. Are we rejecting it as well for thingy? Oh, beautiful. Okay. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. I might. If I see a nice 5 minute, I mean, back into OTE, I mean into equilibrium, I might consider shorts for ES. It looks a little weaker, so that's what I'm gonna consider. Yeah, and low key, like I said, guys, I low key want to see us take previously weekly high, bro. That would be so golden. That would be a really nice setup. So, guys, yesterday I took a loss as well. And it's stupid because we did end up getting the rally, but I was in the afternoon. I was in the charts at the time, but it looks so clean for, I think, for ES. Yeah, you see. Like, the only thing that I was paying attention to that I did not like at all. Wait, what? Wait, what? Hold up. Yeah, it was here, We took out previously day low and then we saw a rally, so I just got in here. The thing is that just definitely, and we had a closure above 10. So I mean, it wasn't too bad in my opinion, but I feel like I did perhaps might have over risked, which sucks, but you know. And then yesterday, like yes, I would have seen trade. It was more of a thing. It was more of a reactive trade, not really like a logical trade, and I didn't like that about it. But whatever, so be it. You know, I kind of started questioning and shit, but it's like, nice, fine. It was just a stupid trade. That's all it was. We're back in the game again. There we go. I was like, bro. Okay, so we good. Pin it. Nice. Just making sure that the stream is working. Bro, that new week opening gap. Okay, so my deal goal right now scenario, my deal scenario is we wick this 950 rejection below previously low, below new week opening gap, buyer A plus set of my opinion. Oh, A plus. Sorry, A, not A plus, and then just scope this all the way to the order block. But if we just drop it, it's just gonna kill that trade. Okay, I'm gonna have my tops already because it just look nice. Damn, we took 2 losses for the week. I mean, I'm not upset of it, but it's just like, bruh. It could have been a preventable loss, but you know, as long as we don't. Yeah, I'm gonna turn this up real quick. I like seeing the candle visually. Bro, I should sound mad creepy. Are you funded? On the road to it. I just need like 1,000 more, or a little bit more, like 1,000, 1,200 to be funded. With topside, Brody. You? Show me. Tell me your journey. What's your journey, by the way? What up, Black City? What up, dude? But yeah, I'm close to it. I could feel it. I could taste it. But no, not yet. As of yet, no. And you know what sucks, Brody? Like, I feel like if it would have been like a different market condition, it would have been easier to pass, but I guess just like the conditions are really suckish right now, in my opinion. All time highs just suck, dude. Suck. Like this, look at this. It's already turning on its head. I gotta wait and see, guys, because I don't want to just jump in. We're already tapping into that 1 hour order block that I did want to see. And if we get a rejection, I don't know, bro. I might just look for longs. We're gonna be tapping into this busy. We just took our minor south side as well, which is looking good for shorts right here. But yeah, I don't know. I'll see. How many axes do you have? Wait, what? What's asses? That sounds so wrong, bro. Oh my god, that's funny. I don't know why that made me laugh. So yeah, if we begin to respect this level, we might just be going for previous daily highs. So I'm open to that too. But I really just gotta see structure shift to my side, because I do definitely want to see us, try to take all this out, even perhaps even midnight open. But I don't know. We might just get a straight dump from here, and then after 10 we should slowly start going up. So I'll be willing to take that too. And at the same time, we might be able to still rejecting that 1 hour order block. So I don't know. I'm just gonna wait and see. We could definitely target these equal highs for sure. These right here. This probably like TP1 or something, and move to break even and stuff. Eek. Wait, what? Oh yeah, it's on the 5 minute. Yeah, this is definitely looking juicy right now for longs, but I gotta wait and see, because just the market's not really clear for me right now at all. It could go either or. We could literally just start reversing, going lower, or we could reject from here. It's fine too. But I low-key wish we wouldn't have traded into the order block. We would have left the 5 minute change of state, and then just gone lower with it. It is what it is. It is what it is. You never still tell me, bro. Where are you in your journey? Like for me, I feel like I'm definitely more on the what's it called? Slightly above the break even. So there's definitely gonna be days where I just gotta learn to like. I've definitely gotten better at it too, but there's days where I just gotta know like, just back up, or just don't I don't even over risk anymore, if I'm being honest. I'm like, in a sense, I'm over risking just because I'm trying to pass it and then eventually just like get slow. But right now I'm just trying to pass them. But like I said, bro, the conditions we're in just sucks, dude. Just sucks. I'll just show you quickly. Like my trades for the past few days, I guess. So you see, we took 2 minor highs just because of the conditions, and then but before pre-market highs we were able to but yeah, but yeah, as you can see, bro, like our conditions just been like trash before pre-market highs. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at right now. Just conditions suck. That's really all it is. So it makes it harder for me to try to. I don't think it's confidence. It's more like just trying to overtrade, or like overtrade my risk that I'm willing to bear. If that makes sense. Wait, what am I doing here? It's a 1 hour. Wait, what? Which one's the one I logged into? Wait, what? I haven't logged into it. Wait, what? I ain't logged into account. I didn't. What the hell? Oh, that's weird. Again, look at this. I just don't like price. See? That's what I'm talking about. I might consider long, guys, that we close above here. But I gotta change this down. It sounds mad creepy. It sounded better. Yeah, I might just go long, and I'll probably just go with 2 contracts or something. And I'll probably target like previous daily high. Let me take this away. That's crazy. We didn't take out London high from yesterday. It's crazy. But yeah, did you always did you only wait? What? Sorry, did you only? I cannot read, bro. Sorry. Did you only? No. Did you always do only ICT concepts? I started out with. It's funny because it's crazy too, bro. Because I even think about it, bro. I never really started like I started with supporting resistance, and I literally started like just by looking up like learning how to and then he'll show you like supporting resistance. It was some Asian guy. I forgot his name. I think I saw I seen him. Like, bro, you could literally go through the videos. But I started with some Asian guy. I forgot his name. Uh, it was some Asian guy on YouTube. I don't know what the hell his name is, bro. I'm gonna lie. Something with T. I don't know. I remember it so vividly too, bro. It's crazy. It's crazy how it's just a journey after that. How to trade support and resistance. It's some Asian guy that I learned from. Him. No, not him. Not him. Not him. Not him. Not him. Not him. Him. Rainer Teo. I was like something with an R. Yeah, him. But I quickly found out about like order blocks and like, you know what I mean, like supply and demand. So I kind of derivated from like that type of logic. It just made no sense to me too. It just didn't make any sense to me. And then I learned how to I learned like a lot of the basics from on another YouTuber. Well, no, sorry, not another YouTuber, another trader. Like his name was Doyle. And then from there, I like his strategy because the strategy is literally just a 5 minute wick breaker structure with the wick, and you know, but from a higher time frame supply and demand zone, you know, like let's just say let's just say you're using this last candle as your demand zone, so all you're waiting for is like the 5 minute to go into here and then break lower. But even then, like I don't know if my brain just recently like just didn't like those type of too easy ideas. I don't know if that makes sense, bro. But then I just found out ICT like a year later, a year and a half later after, and then ever since I've just been, you know, just stuck it out ICT. And yeah, it's really it. I've just been learning ICT since then. I trade 4 hour candlestick and then 1 hour can. Oh damn, you a swing trader? That's crazy. And it's funny, bro, too, cause when I started, right, like let's just say I wanted to trade the 4 hour is definitely I definitely use the 4 hour and the 1 hour for my quick buys for the intraday. Like this, like I told you, like you see, you see how we're getting like a nice reaction from here. So all we do is now just scale into a 5 minute and wait for a 5 minute change of state, and then you know long it. So if we could get one like at 10, I'll probably just long this thing low key. And then I also look at time. You know, the time that's definitely the only thing that like separates ICT from a lot of like everybody that I know of. Really, is the time aspect. But yeah, you switch it, bro. And it's crazy because I started out with the 1 minute, bro. You know how everybody get, you know, like I've always found like the idea of being like a sneaky, like you know, get in get out is like, oh shit, nice. But I might get into a trade here, guys. Hold up, Brody. I'm just thinking. Hold up. Logically speaking, would this level make sense? So yeah, we're in this already. We're already above 930. Yeah, I might get into the trade, Brody. Give me a second. Buy two. Let me get into the account to the top step real quick. This one I'm with Lucid, by the way. Well, I gotta see what happens here, though, because we are tapping into this 15 minute. We did get a change of state here. I gotta wait. I'm gonna wait a little longer. I just want to see this get disrespected real quick, and after that, I don't really think anything else should hold us down lower, or at least break through like more than the what's called the middle half of it, and then I might consider long after that. But I definitely want to see this get broken first, like for sure close above here, and then hopefully get a retracement and long it. The only thing that I might just be a little wary about is like the weekly open level, which is this dotted line. So I don't know if we could just rebound from there and reject. That's looking nice. I'm gonna see though. I'm gonna wait. Oh, hold on, let me log into my thingy. MES. I'm going in with 3 with this one. No, I don't swing trade. Those are little short trades. Go in 4 hours and see the last candle that wick I shorted. Wait, what? You go into the last? No, I don't. Those are little short trades. Go into 4 hours and see the last. Wait, so what do you mean? I trade 4 hour candle and then 1 day candlestick. Oh, so. That's so embarrassing. You see, bro, you can tell I haven't streamed in I don't even know how long. God knows how long. But my fault, bro. My bad, Brody. So I'm just gonna try to see what I could do here. I don't even know if I want to long this anymore for sure now. Just because we already took out the. Bro, I'm gonna remove this music, bro. This is creepy as shit. It's nice when you're gonna see, but when you trying to thingy, sounds mad creepy. Let me see something. Where is the other one? There we go. Yeah, okay, mute it. Go inside. Go inside. Dude. There we go. Alright, we're gonna Brody. My bad. I gotta wait and see now, though. I don't know what we wanna do. Hopefully we wick below it again. Below this new weekly open. I don't know if you... Wait, you never told me. What do you trade, bro? What's your, I'm assuming you say you trade a 4-hour wick in the candle, so I'm assuming you trade some sort of what's that term called? The candle dealing range theory, no? Is that what it's called, or is that what you trade? By the way, heads up, thank you for letting me know, dude. I appreciate that. That's so embarrassing. Oh my gosh, that's so embarrassing, bro. Like, what are my future kids gonna think, like? Alright, bro, I'm just gonna wait. Yeah, candle range theory, isn't that like when you trade like you said, like the wick, or like the range of that theory, the candle, like expansion or thingy? I really don't know right now what's gonna happen, I'm not gonna lie. Like, just so messy from both ends. I'm kind of glad we left London lows intact, so I don't think this is enough deep of a retracement. But the only thing that, like I said, that does kind of worry me right now is that we already did tap into that objective, and I don't know. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you don't know, but I was looking for that on Monday, and yeah, we already got that. So like in a sense, like my high probability trades aren't really like gonna pay out no more. This was Sunday, and I was like, draw for the week if we can stay bearish. This little, which was this basically, and now it's like, bro, like. It was this little one right here. So now it's like, I don't know if we're gonna reverse, or we're just gonna pull back to something and then continue dumping. Which low-key prefer to continue dump, just because we have more range to play with. You know, we have more fair value gaps on the low here. So you know, just even equilibrium to that expansion leg. But I don't know. That's the thing, especially because the 1 hour is not very clear. It's not giving me like too much of information yet. But we did technically get a 1 hour change of state, which was, I guess, deal. But the thing I don't like about this is, I don't know. This doesn't look great. You know, like the intuition feeling you get when you like, you just kind of know, or to say you kind of expect certain things to play out. Nice. Okay, that's looking like a nice rejection. The only thing I'm thinking though, right? How would I want to play this shit out? And this is definitely going to be a big ass stop loss if I enter with the 5-minute change of state. Ooh, no thank you. I don't know, I'm thinking. I mean, I did kind of say I did want to play I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. 4 hour time frame. Look at the previous candle close. Look where the wicks are, and I short it or long it if the wick is below it as it bounces, but you have a better chance shorting it. And no, I don't know. Oh, okay. That's what I'm saying. You talking about this candle range theory. This. You see how you talking about the wicks? Like, you're talking about like the wicks. So once it takes it out, you kind of look. You just want to short it back into this range of this previous candle, vice versa. You know. That's what I know. It's still technically ICT. It's a PO. Well, technically in some sort of foundation of it, I guess, because you are trading the liquidity sweep of that previous 4-hourly candle to go into the other one. Like a pullback. It could rather be a pullback or a reversal. It really depends, like, you know, like what your bias is and what you're trying to look for. Like here, you see how, for me at least right now, you see how we just swept this high, well, technically swept this high right here, and we're just putting back in. So in here, I'm not sure if you would have tried to look for a short, like this short, and just try to pull back into maybe 50% of this previous candle range, or I don't even know how to call that. Alright, right now I'm just waiting, dude. I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting. If we could, like I said, if we can close above here and even above here, I'll probably still look for long. But I low-key prefer to have a closure above the new weekly open, the new weekly open. But it's crazy because ICT do sounds like it's just like we do overcomplicate this shit. But I don't know. It's because of those type of things. We kind of like we're so specific with what we want to look at. You know what I mean? Like we don't just go in there trying to short everything or long everything. We need to see certain things with certain predicaments of certain time of the day before we could get in. So I don't know if that's just another way of like, yo, we just take longer to take a trade or not. But I mean, it is what it is, you know. Like I learned, and there's no point of trying to fucking learn something else now, you know. And I already know. I have an idea, a really good idea what I'm looking for. So I don't wait for pullbacks or none of that. So what do you mean you short? Wait, I gotta read that, bro. Hold up, I gotta read that slowly, cause. And then Q, no, I don't know what the strategy is called. I learned it myself. Never watched any other chart videos due to the most of them guiding you to fail. Oh, true. You know what's funny, bro? Like the same thing too. Like, well, I feel like you have to have a really good idea who you're following too, right? Because like you said, you know, everybody. But the thing, like the ones I watch, bro, they stream every single day. And I'm pretty sure they're streaming right now. It's like every single day, dude. And they show the trades every single. But they're all profitable, by the way. All of them. They're funded with like 20 accounts. I know that she's funded with like 20 accounts. So I guess it also depends on who you try to learn from. Cause like the ones I'm like these guys, I'm really like I have a lot of trust for. A lot, like you know, what I mean, especially cause they show their P&Ls weekly too, you know. So it's like it's pretty fucking dope for me to. It gives you like that trust, you know, like this shit's like possible in a way, you know. But yeah, I feel you. This right now is fucking crazy, bro. It's literally doing this, bro. How the hell you trade this shit? Like it swept the opposite, now sweeping the opposite. Like, bro, what the hell? This candle is really bad in the doji. We're closing in 5 minutes, so I'm trying to wait for thingy. And the reason why I'm telling you I wait for the 4 a.m. is mostly because of the closing of it, right? Let's just say we closed very bearish. So the previous 4 hours I expected to just like try to go up, manipulate longs or whatever, and then start distributing lower, and then obviously close somewhere. That's literally ICT, like the PO3, power of 3. You accumulate, right? You manipulate. You think everybody's going big, everybody's going long, and then you reverse, and then you do all the damage. Everybody that's going long here is gonna get whipped, or vice versa. Everybody that's trade supporting resistance, and once it breaks out, they think it's gonna go back up. Boom, they get whipped. So it's like it makes sense to me, you know. And I've always liked that about ICT. Like he has such a really strong narrative. Nice, you see? That's what I was looking for. Right now, what I'm looking at though, right? Is how would I can't even trade in Q. Hold up, can I? So limit stop loss. Oh my god, what the oh my bro, I thought 2000. I'm like, what the fuck? Oh shit. Oof. Yeah, nice. That's looking nice now. Okay, I might consider this now. I just don't like the stop loss. Humongous. Oh, did he? I'm gonna see if I can get into NQ. Yeah, that's the thing about limiting or limited small accounts. Like you really got to be careful with what you're doing. I'm thinking, bro. Give me a second. I'm thinking my risk, because this really is risk, bro. Once you learn to like, well, I don't know if you know, but I'm talking about like me. Once I learn to understand like the risk behind this, like I'll be fine. You know, like the worst that can happen is just I just lose 200. Fuck, like I can make that shit back like tomorrow. You know, with one trade. So it just really is a risk. Right now I'm just looking at 10 a.m. But dude, I'm gonna wait till 10 a.m. Hopefully we play around 10 a.m. We go up, you know, some sort of equilibrium to this candlestick, and then we go lower. And that's what I'm looking for. I'll get into a trade. And what would I target? Easy. I'll target midnight opening. I'll target more resting buy side. Sell stop, sorry. Asia low perhaps. I don't know. I definitely want to go a little risky just because my easy trade was already out the window, you know. So like I said, I wanted to trade into this order block, and then, you know, whatever happened, I didn't care. But, you know, we're just going to be waiting and seeing. But yeah, that's crazy, bro. It's crazy how people could trade so different and like somehow still see this market the same way, or vice versa. You know, everybody can trade the same and still see the market different. Because like I said, me and like the other students of his, like ICT students, like we all trade. It's weird because we technically do all trade, like in a sense that we tend to see the same things, but that doesn't mean it means the same things to all of us as well. You know, because for some person like this might be like, I don't know. Let's just say long. I don't know. I'm pretty sure like the trade ICT is probably meaning short to them, but I don't know, but point is like everybody could trade so different, bro, and it still mean different things for everybody. Yeah, I'm gonna wait till 10, dude. I'm gonna wait till 10 and definitely close below here, and I'm definitely gonna start I want to target midnight open right here, this little level. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. ICT is so precise because we use like certain time levels. You know, midnight open, 8:30, 9:30. The equity is open, so we're below this, we're below that, we're below. We took out previous any high, so now it's just a matter of like, give me the trade, dude. And then I'm in this. I'm on like Donkey Kong. Well, I might get in like that, low key, the breaker. I might go in with two, low key. I don't think we should be coming up anymore, especially if we're ready to displace. Like, I do think we should be ready to go lower, if I'm being honest, dude. But we'll see, we'll see. We'll just be patient, dude. What did I just do? Why did I put my stop loss here? Oh, the breaker. I'll probably put it here. And probably target midnight London, aka move to break even, take some partials or something. I probably put it here. We should not be coming. That's the dope shit about like profitability, right? I mean, not profitability, sorry. Like understanding the charts. Like we should not be seeing certain things happening like at all. And if it happens, like, you know, we're most likely wrong. So we're probably wrong either way. Even if we put my stop loss all the way up here, like we're most likely still wrong. We should not be certain things because we believe in PD arrays, which are like, think about it like doors, like locking doors. So like the more doors that are against us, we should not be trying to break through those doors because we're just strongly like one direction. So if the prices is like, let's just say I'm trying to short and prices coming all the way up here, it's already a bad sign, dude. So even if I put my stop loss here or even here, but the fear of like, yo, remember like before when I first started out, like I'll move my stop loss, maybe I'm wrong, maybe this is stop loss, and then you get fucking now instead of losing like 200, you're down like 300 because you put your stop loss here. So like that's for me, like that's a dope shit about like understanding like what price should not be doing. It's ideal, could like what's acceptable, like it can come up here and even with this and then go lower still, but yeah. Sorry, bro. I forgot you didn't trade ICT, so it's like for me, it's like just hard to try to explain it, like to a person who doesn't trade ICT. But that's really how I'm trying to trade. Okay, so we got a 15-minute order block right here. Change your state of delivery. I think this should be OTE retracement. We should be ready to go soon enough. OTE fib. Yep. Yeah. So I'm probably gonna put my stop loss again. Yeah. I'm thinking about shorting this, bro. It's looking nice. It's looking nice. It's looking nice. It's cool to like talk about trading. I don't know why. Like you could try to talk to someone about it. Like, oh my god, are you gambling? Like, yes. Educationally, we're probably sickly gambling. And then, you know, you come to the internet, everybody trades. Like, what the fuck? Where you guys at? Yeah, not gonna lie, this is about a lot of stuff going on, but I hope you make it, bro. I will tune in when you get funny things. You got Discord? I do, but I don't use it like for thingy, bro. I just use it for like I'll show you real quick. I just use it with other people that I know that trade as well. So, but I don't even use it no more. I used it in the beginning because, you know, when you first start, everybody wants to be like, you know, like, oh my god, I'm in the trading group, like, yo, we all traders and shit. But I'm just like in like I said, the people that I'm really like confident with in, or like they have proven like profitability over the time. So that's the only ones I'm in. But other than that, I'm not really in like Discord hopping. But yeah, Brody. Yeah, for sure. 100% will make it, bro. Like, not sound cocky, just like, bro, I put the fucking work for this shit, bro. You know. Thanks, I appreciate it though. It did kind of come out as cocky. I apologize, dude, but yeah, bro, you put the work in, you're bound to get rewarded for it. You know, that's how life is. I'm just waiting for a change to stay, homie. That's all I'm waiting. I'm just waiting for this to close below, and then I'm getting in from a short. 10 a.m. is looking nice. I might enter with a sell limit, bro. I'm gonna lie. That's a buy limit, stupid. Where's the sell limit? Stop loss. Wait, what? Why am I longing? Hold up. Oh, sell, stop. Wait, what the hell is it doing? Alright, Brody. I definitely want to see a break of this shit. Yeah, it should be fine. I might consider this right now. Hold up. If it's coming with displacement, I might just get in with the sound limit, bro. I feel like they're just gonna break through my. I think I don't like this. I don't like this working. I want to see both NQ and ES try to like show me like. By the way, think about these like sisters. Like they pretty much act the same and stuff. So if this one goes lower, then this one will go lower as well. Ideally, ideally, 'cause that should never happen sometimes. So like yesterday. Yeah, I might enter with a sell limit, bro. I'm gonna lie. I don't even think we should be going up here, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I'm thinking. I'm just gonna wait. Be patient, bro. Yeah, but yeah, homie. Appreciate being here, dude. Really means a lot. I don't have lights. Don't worry. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna get ready with this one. I'm going with 3. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna be so, bro. I'm gonna wait. Matter of fact, cause bro, I hate when like I get in and it just wicks it, and then I'm like, and then I get stopped down, then it goes my way after waiting for the closure. So I'm just gonna wait. What's up, baby? I'm gonna wait. Be patient. How much would it be with 2? Sorry, with 3. But yeah, patience is definitely, bro. It's fucking stupid, right? Because I don't know if you've had this realization, but like, bro, you really all you have to do is wait. Like, just wait for price to show you something better. It's crazy. Like, it just sounds so simple. People always say this shit, and you're like, what? Hold up. I might just go with 2 as well, just to build my buffer again. Oh, you piece of shit! I hate when it does that. And then the next time it just rips. Oh fuck. I'm just gonna wait. But yeah, I like you really just gotta do is just wait, bro. And in a sense, it applies to everything, right? Like just wait for price to close here and then you get in, or just wait. Ugh, I really don't want it to break, dude. I might just wait for a 3-minute low key. We're having inversions already, so I'm just thinking right now. Hold up, how can I get in this shit? Yeah, I don't think we should be coming up here at all. I'm just gonna wait, dude. I'm just gonna keep it simple. You see what I'm talking about? Bro, this shit better not be breaking out. I better not just leave without me. I'm gonna be upset. I'm gonna crash out. I'm a giant crash out. I'm just wait though. Yeah, 90% chance are just. It is in a sense. You just gotta see what, like, let's just say if you ain't wait, you just get stopped down, or vice versa. You just prematurely get in, get stopped out, or whatever happens. Oh, I'm gonna be upset, dude. That shit happens. So I'm gonna see if I could wait. I'm getting with a 3-minute chart. I'm trying to catch this. I low-key don't think it should be coming here at all, bro. I'm gonna just put my stop loss here for sure. You see, like, just wait. That's all I just gotta do is wait. What am I waiting for? I'm just waiting for this candle to basically turn black and say close below this, make it a change of state of delivery. Basically, where the market's change, like a market structure shift, like a lot of people, choch, whatever it's called, and then just go short. But or you could just wait and just really wait, and then let's just say create a 5-minute fair value gap, right? We tap into it, and then we go on the lower time frame, or even like a 1 minute, 2 minute, and then just wait for it, and then put your stop loss here. And then that's really it. That's something. It really is just waiting for more structure to play out and see what it wants to do. You see, this is why we wait. I'm not in this. I wouldn't be in it yet. And if I don't get a charge, look what you got me saying, bro. If I don't gotta change the state of delivery, I'm just gonna wait for the 5-minute. Hopefully, we get a 5-minute for value gap left. It hasn't closed, but let's say it closes, and then I'll get in and see what happens here. If we get a nice reaction, I'll probably go in lower, straight short from there too. I don't like that we're playing around these levels. You see how we're consolidating around the opening prices? That usually means consolidation. We want to see us wick it and stay below it. Like, you see how we just wicked the previous daily high. Previous daily high is just like that previously weekly high from the candle, and then it just means we're trying to put back or even perhaps have a retracement or reverse. I don't know. We don't need a full reverse. We just need a part of the pie. So I'm just waiting, dude. There's really nothing for me right now, like, at all. I definitely would want to stay below this for sure. I wouldn't. Maybe a little tap into this 3-minute fair value gap, and then shorter. But I'm just gonna wait. That's a good thing I liked about the 5-minute versus like the 1 minute, the 3-minute, the 2 minute. Just like it breaks down. It makes it so much easier for me. Like, bro, if I get a 5-minute change of state already, like here, like a closure, it's already like a 1 or 2 minute. You see, like it's already a market structure shift on the lower time frame. So for me to just try to overcomplicate it, because I used to do it, everybody's like, "Yo, which market structure shift do I use?" I just wait. By the way, it's 10 o'clock now. So where's 10 o'clock opening? Right here. So right now, what I want to see with this level is this is my main focus hour. Like this is where I really want to wait and try to take the most patience from. And it's already coming at the end of the 10:50 macro, so I'd rather just wait for sure, dude. I'd rather wait for like 10:30ish to manipulate higher and go lower. Because if it's, yeah, I don't like this. See, we're just waiting. They didn't close here and they didn't close here, so if I would have, you see, like I would have gone in prematurely, like I would have been already in drawdown. Like let's just say I'm FOMOing, right? Now I just literally bottom ticked along my stop loss, and then they just say this like, they just say you still have the FOMO. Well, I still have the FOMO, but not to the same degree. You know, it just comes with the preparation of like trading longer and shit. Like you just out of your own bullshit. You're just like, bro, come on, bro. Like you just burn your hand in the stove so many times. You're just like, dude, it's not worth it, bro. Just chill. So that's really weird. Cause I ain't gonna lie, bro. Yesterday I kind of felt that in me. Like when I took that L, bro, and I knew I took that L. It wasn't stupid. Cause I don't think I take any dumbass trades like I used to. But it would have been a preventable L because I was trying to go low and I took the opposite. But that's because it was from a previous, like you see how we have like this, like previous, we had I longed the opposite. Like when we took out the previous daily low, I wanted to long it like this, but it just wasn't in line with the bias overall. Oh, please don't break, 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 please don't break. Nice. Alright, bro. Alright, Brody. I'm in it. Hold up. I'm going like 3. Alright, bro. I'm in. Wish me luck. Yeah. Wish me luck, brother. Wish me luck, homie. Yeah, it's looking nice. Oh, we didn't get the change shit here. Fuck. Ugh. Hopefully we catch up. Yeah, hopefully we catch up. What's up with this here, bro? Alright, Brody, win this. Win this together. Alright, I'm gonna definitely have a stop here. I'm gonna pressure here. Where is that at? Oh, here it is. What is it? 2073.65. Alright, bro, I want to see this placement through here for sure. I don't want to see nothing crazy here. Break lower, break lower, break lower, break lower, break lower, break lower. I might just even pressure 101. Let me see something. Oh, that's looking juicy. That's looking real juicy, baby. Yeah, partial and then perhaps even, let's see if you're lucky. Yes, baby, yes. Then continue to stop me out. I'm like, bruh, fuck you. Wait, how am I shorting and I'm... Wait, what? I don't know, whatever, fuck it. My dumbass actually, I think I bought by accident. Whatever. I'm not turning that account right now. My dumbass bought by accident. I would just say whatever. I look, you want to move to break even. I don't think we should be coming down. But then again, it's like, do I really want to? My dumbass didn't. I entered in a long. I'm almost stop. There's no point. I don't want to see us come back around 10 a.m. open no more. Alright, bro. Well, we're in the trailer now. I don't know if you want to stick around and watch us either get stopped out or win. I don't know. Now we just leave it up to the Fortnite. I mean, the Fortnite gods. The Fortnite gods. The thingy. I don't want to see a wig, bro. Come on. Ugh, dude. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god, this shit's crazy. Bro, are you fucking kidding? That's crazy. Oh, are you fucking with me right now? It's whatever, we just wait now. Let me just think right here though. Oh, you fucking with me. Oh, you better stay down there. Oh, you better stay down there, you asshole. Yeah, I need this 5 minutes to hold. I need it to hold. Bro, what? Just like that, dude. That's crazy. Oh, yeah. Yeah, fuck this. Nah, we just gotta wait now. Whatever, we can't control this shit no more. That's not good. Bro, what the? You see how we close? Yeah, I stopped out. I might get in now with the long. It just refusing to go lower, bro. That's crazy. I mean, I lowered my stop loss, but it is what it is. This shit's refusing to go lower, though. It's thinking we might want to go higher then. Yeah, I might have to switch buys, dog. Yeah, that's what the fuck. Yeah, bro, that's crazy. Oh my god, that has to be news, dude. Dude, that has to be news. Oh, bro, no fucking way you just rigged me on. That'd be crazy. Nah, I don't think this is gonna reverse now. This doesn't make sense anymore. Yeah, I don't see shit no more. Reversing anytime soon. I might play this long if it allows me to. Oh, it's not allowing me to. Oh yeah, that's just not allowing me to. I think it's going for previous. It's most likely going for previously high. Dude, what? That's crazy. That's fucking crazy. What the fuck was that? It wasn't a bad trade, but it's just like, whatever. Good thing in disguise that I didn't get into the trade with the other account. Oh, that's crazy, bro. Oh, you fuck. What is that? What the fuck is this market right now? Did you take a trade, dude, with this shit? I'm gonna go, but like, bro, good. Thank you, man. I already got stopped up. I appreciate it. Bro, what the fuck was that candle? Dude. That's absurd. Yeah, I'm done. This count can suck my balls. Oh, dude, I know he went for. I know he had to go out for a short too, bro. I know he was in a short. I just know he was in a short too. Oh, he was in a short. He was in a short. Stop barking.
Bro, holy shit. God. Bruh. 15 minutes about to close finally. Well, I mean, holy shit. I mean, that's like basically untradeable. Let's be fucking so for real. Unless you're just literally swinging at fucking turtle soups here. Yeah. All right. Nah, I don't think so, bruh. I don't think so. My spidey senses are tingling and they're telling me, Tyler, hey, listen, if you want to get violated today, maybe try your luck on the Nasdaq. And if you want to be saved, if you want salvation, just go full port your Grand Cup account on silver and call it a day. That is what my spidey senses are telling me, boys. What are your spidey senses saying?
All right. Yeah, I'm done. I don't think I want to trade shit. This candle already. I feel like it just drained the fuck out of the market now. It was in a bad trade though. Not gonna lie. I mean, fuck it. Like at least we're gonna have this placement disclosure and shit now, so we might be considered long now. You know what I mean? Right here. Right here. We technically already did have it here. Oh shit! I didn't even realize we had it. But the thing is just the level we were at.
There you go. You just go straight up. Just go straight.
Yeah, I wanted to see closure buffer.
That's crazy though. We take out this low, hit this hourly gap, and then right here, 10:14. That's where the headline came off. That's when we were like, what's up?
Something was telling me to go break even too. That's crazy.
We'll find something. Somebody hold me. Also, hit the likes, boys. We can still do giveaways today as well. 150 likes today. We'll still do a giveaway. Not one full trace over. Guys, I don't know how many times. I don't want to keep repeating myself. I'm likely not going to be trading any of these in this action today. Never say never. I can hit these. Right now, I'm just choosing to not fuck around with my skeletons for this part of this board.
Yeah.
As I see how things are going. And in order for me to have a chance on this random opening, I need a full forward silver, and I need to catch a banger. And that's going to be what I'm going to do today. Sounds free. It's a little bit no risk. And we're going to win or die to this one.
Facts.
And Q is not going to get us there all consistently. You can click on the button.
Ooh, that's nasty.
Just to clarify, all right? No repeating. That. Leave a chance for the middle. What is going on with all these guns? He keeps reporting everything in front of me.
Yeah, we did hit the equilibrium.
Silver 4. And we got FOM2 meeting minutes at this point, not FOM2 silver 4. More importantly, we got NVIDIA after this. Yeah, I'm just kind of waiting for some structure to build up here on silver. I don't know if we're going to get a D4 trace. I'm not really sure. If you guys did trade silver, I would assume you hold in silver as like a SMC.
I might get in one thing versus FGM1. I'm gonna go in with top step. Hold up.
See what happens though. Yeah, I kind of like the idea of whether we get a continuation right here on silver or a continuation right here. Seems like I'd like it better than taking the risk here, but I like this 4-hour opening.
I just wanna wait and see.
I like that a lot. This music is not fun. I would not agree with you. I like it. I think
I'm gonna look for this long, but I just gotta see though. I wanna see this thing get inverted.
yeah, I think 80 ticks on old mini is the maximum this goes straight up. We'll see if it like continues here. We got 10 candles. We're gonna press it. I think it's
Yeah.
fine. Market reaction is like this for this level. 80 ticks. Let's see.
I'm just waiting for this to get inversed, and now I'm really seeing the downside to this no more. I like this. I like this a lot. Just because we tap into a 5-minute equilibrium, right?
You like shorts on silver? I'm not against shorts down here. Just not necessarily buying all of it.
I'm just waiting. I do think we could have a nice Standard deviation trade. Look at the body be a little more. By one. By two. What is that shit? Running that way. Yeah, I'm just waiting. I took this one just because it made sense, bro. I ain't gonna lie, this shit made the most sense to me. Yeah, I just wait for an inversion. That's it. I'm just gonna be patient out. Alright, send us high, baby. Send us high. I mean this, by the way, guys. I got in from both. Mm.
3-minute gap there.
Oh, right here.
Stop on engine 2. And lift brakes now.
Facts.
So watch this. Go for speed.
No. Let's upload this here.
Take the stick buzz. I can follow the focus. Now that we're at FME 3, we'll give this another push. Go back to the focus.
Mm. If we can avert this, I might get in another one. If we get this plane below here, I'm probably just closing.
You getting above it?
We're about previously high too. I want to say above it. Mm. Go higher, dude. Now.
Well, it's like 10 seconds until FME 4. Yeah, it's over. That's good. That's good. That's good.
I might close and get in again. I don't know though.
That's the fastest you've ever won? That's actually, I think the fastest I've ever been was 12.